$1,000. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC components that you should consider for your next $1,000 PC build. Now, links of all those products will be in the description, so you can check the latest pricing from there. Let's get started. Now, for the processor, we have chosen the Intel Core i5-12400F. This one costs around $172. This processor comes with up to 4.4 GHz clock speed, which is more than enough for giving you the ultimate performance under $200. And also, this processor has 6 cores and 12 threads, which will give you enough power for productive level workload like video editing. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the MSI Mac B660M. This one costs around $147. Now with that price, you are going to get 4 RAM slot, 2 NVMe slot, and one of them are PCIe Gen 4 supported, which is the fastest currently on the market. And also, as you can see, it comes with very large heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. Now comes the main part of a gaming PC build, the graphics card. And in this case, we are using the XFX RX 6700 XT. This one costs around $389. Now this graphics card performs better than an RTX 3060 Ti and costs $60 to $70 less than it. Now with this graphics card, you can play any modern games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings at constant 60+ FPS, and about 1080p gaming, you can play any modern games with 1080p resolution at ultra settings with more than 100 FPS. So overall, it's an excellent 12GB graphics card for only under $400. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB 16GB RAM. Now each of them are 8GB, so in total we will get 16GB. And as you can see, those white heatsink not only just looks cool but also prevent those RAMs from getting overheated. And in the top of those RAMs, you are going to get those RGB effects, which looks excellent. And there's a 3600 MHz RAM, comes with lifetime warranty, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, we have chosen the Western Digital 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. This one costs around $89. With that price, you are going to get a PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which is currently the fastest on the market. And this particular SSD comes with up to 5000 Mbps read-write speed, which will give your PC an excellent performance. Like your PC will boot faster, your games will load faster, and overall it's an excellent 1TB SSD for under $90. Then for the power supply, we have chosen the Corsair RMX 750W. This one costs around $114. This power supply is a fully modular power supply, so you can detach all the cable, as you can see, so your cable management will be excellent. Also, it's a gold certified power supply, which means it's a top tier power supply by Corsair, and this power supply comes with 10-year plus warranty, so it's an excellent deal. And lastly, for the casing, we are choosing the Thermaltake View 200. This one costs around $79, and with that price, you are going to get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, a glass front, a glass side, and overall an excellent white casing for under $80. And all those components will cost you around $1,054. And without any doubt, these components are the best components that you can buy under this budget. Thanks for watching.